Hello guys, once again my name is Lance Liam and welcome to Travel Tour Adventure. Ayan po, napakaganda ng Iceland. Of course, at puro yelo na naman. At super lamig po dyan sa area na yan kasi talagang ayan, makikita mo yung lake na may falls. Ayan, ay natutunaw na yung mga yelo dyan. Pero still, sobrang lamig po dyan. Alright, thank you for watching. Once again, this is Lance Liam and welcome to Travel to Adventure. And this is Island Europe Tour. Have a nice day.